Hey everyone, welcome to TechOnly. In today's video, we are talking about 10 mind-blowing futuristic gadgets that you need to know about. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's the most innovative and impressive of them all. In recent years, the technology industry has seen a significant increase in the development of augmented reality devices, with augmented reality glasses being one of the most exciting advancements. So what is augmented reality glasses? AR glasses are wearable devices that superimpose digital information and graphics in the real world. The glasses are equipped with a camera, sensors, and displays, which allow them to track the user's movements and present information in real time. The user can see the real world with digital overlays, making it easier to navigate, communicate, and engage with technology in a more natural way. Augmented reality glasses can be used to create a new type of gaming experience that is more immersive and interactive. The glasses can track the user's movements and present digital elements in real time, creating a more dynamic and engaging gaming experience. Foldable smartphones have recently gained a lot of popularity in the technology world, with many companies vying to bring their own unique designs to the market. A foldable smartphone is essentially a device that has a flexible display that can be folded in half, providing a larger screen experience when opened and a more compact form factor when closed. This allows users to have a smartphone that can be used as a tablet and a phone at the same time, providing the best of both worlds. The first foldable smartphone to be introduced to the market was the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which was launched in 2019. One of the major benefits of foldable smartphones is their ability to provide a larger screen size and to be more compact. Despite their many benefits, foldable smartphones come with some challenges as well. For one, they are often more expensive compared to traditional smartphones, making them less accessible to the general public. Smart clothing refers to wearable technology that is integrated into clothing items such as shirts, jackets, and even socks. This technology can include features such as fitness tracking, communication, and even biometric monitoring. Smart clothing is designed to enhance the functionality of regular clothing, offering a more seamless and integrated experience for the user. Another type of smart clothing is clothing with integrated communication technology, such as smart jackets with built-in headphones and microphones. These jackets allow individuals to make phone calls and listen to music without having to take their phones out of their pockets. This is especially useful for outdoor enthusiasts and those who lead active lifestyles. Smart clothing can also include biometric monitoring, such as shirts that can monitor a user's vital signs such as heart rate, respiration, and temperature. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, have been the topic of much excitement and innovation in recent years. These vehicles are equipped with a range of sensors, cameras, and other technology that enables them to operate without a human driver. Instead, they are powered by advanced algorithms and AI systems that allow them to navigate roads, make decisions, and avoid obstacles in real time. One of the primary benefits of self-driving cars is that they have the potential to significantly reduce the number of car accidents caused by human error. Despite these benefits, there are also some challenges associated with self-driving cars. One of the major concerns is the potential for hacking or cyber attacks, as these vehicles will rely on complex technology systems that could be vulnerable to malicious actors. Drones have found a multitude of applications across many industries, from agriculture, where they are used for crop monitoring and analysis, to construction, where they are used for site inspections and survey work. The film and photography industries have also greatly benefited from drones, which have provided filmmakers with new and innovative ways to capture aerial footage. Despite their many advantages, drones also come with their own set of challenges. One of the biggest concerns is safety, as drones can pose a significant threat to other aircraft and individuals on the ground. In response to these concerns, many countries have implemented strict regulations on the use of drones, including restrictions on altitude and areas in which they can be flown. Despite these challenges, the drone industry continues to grow and evolve at a rapid pace, with new and exciting innovations emerging all the time. Voice-controlled home devices, also known as smart speakers, are becoming increasingly popular in homes across the world. These devices are equipped with virtual assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, and allow users to control various aspects of their home with just their voice. One of the biggest advantages of voice-controlled home devices is the hands-free aspect. Instead of having to get up and physically interact with various devices in the home, users can simply ask their virtual assistant to perform a task. Another benefit of voice-controlled home devices is their integration with other smart devices. For example, a user can connect their smart speaker to their smart lights and control the lights with their voice. The same goes for smart locks, smart thermostats, and other connected devices. This creates a seamless and integrated smart home experience where all devices can be controlled from one central location. Wearable health monitors are devices that are designed to track various health metrics and provide information to the wearer. These monitors are typically worn on the wrist, but they can also be attached to other parts of the body, such as the chest or the waist. One of the main benefits of wearable health monitors is their convenience. The ability to track health metrics in real time makes it easier for individuals to stay on top of their health and make changes when necessary. For example, if a person notices that their heart rate is consistently elevated, they can take steps to address the issue, such as incorporating more exercise into their daily routine or reducing stress levels. These devices typically store the health metrics they track, allowing the wearer to access a comprehensive record of their health status over time. This information can help people find patterns and make changes to their lifestyles that will improve their overall health. Virtual reality headsets are a form of technology that has taken the world by storm in recent years. One of the key benefits of VR is its ability to provide a completely immersive experience to users. This is made possible through the use of high-resolution displays, advanced sensors, and precise tracking systems that respond to the user's movements in real time. VR is not just limited to gaming or entertainment. It has numerous practical applications across a wide range of industries. Healthcare professionals are using VR to help patients overcome phobias, such as a fear of heights or public speaking, while architects and designers are using VR to create virtual walkthroughs of their designs, allowing clients to experience their projects before they are built. Whether it's for gaming, entertainment, or business, VR is set to revolutionize the way we interact with digital worlds and has the potential to transform the way we live our lives. A 3D printing pen is a small device that uses melted plastic to draw three-dimensional objects. It works by heating up the plastic filament, which is fed into the pen, and then extruding it through a small nozzle. The plastic cools and hardens almost instantly, allowing the user to build their creation layer by layer. This process is similar to how traditional 3D printers work, but on a smaller, more portable scale. The user can draw or write in the air, giving them complete freedom to bring their ideas to life. One of the biggest advantages of a 3D printing pen is its portability. Unlike traditional 3D printers that are large and stationary, a 3D printing pen can be taken anywhere and used to create objects on the go. With a growing number of brands and models on the market, there has never been a better time to try out a 3D printing pen and see what you can create. Smart contact lenses combine contact lens functionality with advanced features. They improve vision, monitor health, and provide augmented reality experiences. Smart contacts correct vision as well. Some smart contact lenses have cameras and sensors that improve visual acuity and contrast sensitivity. They can correct nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. This technology is still new and not widely used, so if they improve, it could help us see better, monitor our health, and enjoy new augmented reality experiences. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.